Alright everyone, I'll go and show you exactly how to fix Reddit no sound. But make sure that you watch this until the very end, so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. First, make sure that the app has been updated to the last version, because the older version of the app may not have some options. To update your app to the last version, you need to find an App Store or Play Store. If you have found the App Store, means your device on iOS system. If you have found the App Play Store, means your device on the Android system. Now open these apps. On the Android system, tap on profile icon at the top right corner. Then I prepare for you example what we need to do. You just tap on App Store and Game, as you can see like on this screenshot. And then you will see all available updates for your device at the moment. And you just tap on Update here one by one, or update all your available updates for your device. On the iOS system, go all way App Store. Tap on Profile at the top right corner here. You should press and hold on any space of the screen and swipe from top to down, like I. As you can see, we reload this page. Just tap on Update All. So on iPhone and on Android devices it's pretty different, but don't worry about that. You just go always Settings, and you should on Android device scroll down and tap on Apps, then select Reddit, and then you will see storage. If you not see storage, just tap on at the bottom right corner Clear Cache. On another Android devices, tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache. On iPhone iOS devices, you should scroll down and find General. Then tap on General, and here you will see iPhone storage. Tap on it. Now we should find a Reddit app. Just scroll down and find it. Then go to Reddit, tap on Offload app, proceed to Offload app. Then you will see here Reinstall app. Tap on Reinstall app. So the next solution is just turn off your device. Press and hold your lock screen button, then turn on your device and check Reddit app. Next solution, just press and hold on Reddit app and delete completely Reddit app from your device. Just tap on Remove app and delete app. Then go to your App Store or Play Market. In search, find of course Reddit. Just tap on search bar, enter Reddit, and of course install it again. It may help you. As the last, just maybe you don't know this, but you can skip it. Just when you open any video, at the bottom right corner of video you will see this speaker icon, and if you tap on it you can mute and of course unmute sound on any video. Just as you can see, I just tap on it and disable it.
For fuck's sake. What? I'm a fucking...
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.